In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pop emails in Pipedrive. When people talk about popping emails into Pipedrive, what they really mean is pulling their inbox directly into the CRM so that emails show up alongside contacts, deals, and activities. In Pipedrive, this is done using Email Sync, which runs on IMAP behind the scenes. You don't need to worry about the technical side, but it's helpful to know that this gives you real-time syncing instead of old-school one-way PAW-P3 downloads. Let's walk through the process from inside your Pipedrive account. First, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your personal settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you manage things like your account, notifications, and most importantly for this video, your email. Once you're in Personal Preferences, find and click on the Email Sync tab. This is the dedicated area where you connect and manage any email accounts you want to use with Pipedrive. If this is your first time setting it up, the page will be mostly empty and ready for a new connection. Next, click the button labeled New Account. A window will appear asking you to enter your email address. Type in the address you want to connect to Pipedrive, then click Next. Pipedrive will now try to detect the correct email provider settings automatically. At this point, a new browser tab or window will open. This is your email provider asking for permission to let Pipedrive access your mailbox securely. Carefully review the permissions if you'd like, then click Continue or Allow to proceed. Without granting this permission, Pipedrive won't be able to sync your emails. Once that's done, go back to Pipedrive and you'll be asked to choose the email account type. You can select either personal or team account. Personal is usually best if the inbox is just for you, while team account is ideal for shared addresses like support or sales that multiple people manage. Select the option that fits your use case, then click Next. You'll now see a setting for visibility and sharing. Here you decide if the emails coming from this account should be shared or private inside Pipedrive. Shared means your teammates can see relevant synced emails in context. Private keeps them visible only to you unless you choose to share specific messages. Pick the option that matches your company's privacy and collaboration needs. Finally, click Start Sync. Pipedrive will begin pulling in your emails. The first sync can take a little while, especially if you have a large inbox, but once it's complete, your emails will start appearing inside Pipedrive, linked to your contacts and deals automatically.